Hello students, today we will discuss about functions of water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins include non-B complex and B complex vitamins. Further, B complex vitamins may be subdivided into energy releasing and hematopoietic. Thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pyridoxine, biotin and pantothenic acid are involved in the category of energy releasing vitamins, while folic acid and vitamin B12 are hematopoietic. Vitamin C is the only member of non-B complex group. As their name indicates, they are soluble in water, therefore readily excreted in urine and thus are not toxic to the body. They are not stored in the body in large quantities except B12. For this reason, they must be continuously supplied in the diet. These vitamins are easily destroyed or washed out during food storage and preparation. Proper storage and preparation of food can minimize vitamin loss. Vitamins are preserved by refrigeration, storage away from strong light and use of cooking water from vegetables to prepare soups. Most of the functions of water soluble vitamins are exerted through their coenzymes. Generally, vitamin deficiencies are multiple with overlapping symptoms. Now, let us see first about B complex vitamins, specifically thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pyridoxine, biotin and pantothenic acid. These are together considered as energy releasing B complex vitamins. Thiamine is the first member and so it is also known as vitamin B1. Its other names are anti-beriberi or antinuretic vitamin. It contains a pyrimidine ring and a thiazole ring held together by a methylene bridge. The alcohol group of thiamine is esterified with 2 moles of phosphate to form the coenzyme thiamine pyrophosphate, that is TPP. The pyrophosphate moiety is donated by ATP and the reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme thiamine pyrophosphate synthetase. As far as functions of thiamine are concerned, it is the coenzyme TPP which is associated with energy releasing function in the reactions of carbohydrate metabolism. For example, pyruvate dehydrogenase complex which catalyzes the conversion of pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex which catalyzes the conversion of alpha ketoglutarate into succinyl coenzyme A, branched chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase complex, that is BCKDH, which is involved in protein metabolism and converts branched chain alpha keto acid into alpha beta unsaturated acyl coenzyme A thioesters. It is also believed that TPP plays an important role in the transmission of nerve impulses. Deficiency symptoms of vitamin B1 results in a condition called beriberi. It is found today in very poor population groups in countries where people live mostly on polished or white rice. It may also develop in people who live mostly on refined wheat flour products and among alcoholics. The early symptoms of beriberi are loss of appetite, that is anorexia, weakness, constipation, nausea, mental depression, peripheral neuropathy, irritability, etc. In adults, Two types of beriberi occur: wet beriberi, which is characterized by edema of legs, face and trunk, associated with breathlessness and palpitation. The heart becomes weak and death may occur due to heart failure. Dry beriberi is associated with neurological manifestations resulting in peripheral neuritis. Infantile beriberi is seen in infants born to mothers suffering from thiamine deficiency. Its symptoms include sleeplessness, restlessness, vomiting, convulsions, etc. Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome is a disorder mostly seen in chronic alcoholics. Insufficient intake or impaired intestinal absorption of thiamine is the cause of this syndrome. It is characterized by loss of memory and a rhythmical to and fro motion of the eyeballs. Due to deficiency of thiamine, carbohydrate metabolism is impaired and accumulation of pyruvate leads to its entry into the brain by crossing blood-brain barrier, results into polyneuritis. Transketolase activity is decreased in RBCs and nerve impulse transmission is impaired due to lack of TPP. Riboflavin is another B complex vitamin also known as vitamin B2. It contains 6,7-dimethyl isoalloxazine attached to D-ribitol by a nitrogen atom. There are two coenzyme forms of riboflavin, flavin mononucleotide, that is FMN, and flavin adenine dinucleotide, that is FAD. The functions of riboflavin are associated with its coenzymes, flavin coenzymes, mostly FAD and to a lesser extent FMN, which participates in a variety of cellular oxidation reduction reactions responsible for energy production. The functional unit of both the coenzymes is isoalloxazine ring, which serves as an acceptor of two hydrogen atoms, thus forms FMNH2 or FADH2. Enzymes that use flavin coenzymes are called flavoproteins. The coenzymes or prostatic group often bind tightly to the protein, that is apoenzyme, either by non-covalent or covalent bonds in the holoenzyme. Many flavoproteins contain metal atoms such as iron, molybdenum, etc., which are known as metalloflavoproteins. The coenzymes FAD and FMN are associated with some enzymes involved in carbohydrate, lipid, protein and purine metabolisms besides the electron transport chain. For example, pyruvate dehydrogenase complex and alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex involved in carbohydrate metabolism, acyl coenzyme A dehydrogenase enzyme of lipid metabolism, glycine oxidase and D-amino acid oxidase enzymes of protein metabolism, xanthine oxidase of purine metabolism, etc. All these enzymes are FAD dependent. Example of FMN dependent enzyme is L-amino acid oxidases. Riboflavin deficiency as such is uncommon, mostly seen along with other vitamin deficiencies. The symptoms are chelosis, that is fissures at the corners of the mouth, glossitis, that is smooth and purplish tongue, and dermatitis. Now, let us see about niacin, which is also called as nicotinic acid, and it is another B complex member. It is also called as Pellagra preventive factor, that is PP factor. It is a pyridine derivative, structurally pyridine 3-carboxylic acid. Its amide form is known as niacinamide or nicotinamide. The coenzyme forms of niacin are nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, that is NAD+, and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, that is NADP+, which can also be synthesized by amino acid tryptophan. 60 milligrams of tryptophan is equivalent to 1 milligram of niacin for the synthesis of niacin coenzymes. The functions of niacin is mediated via its coenzymes NAD+ and NADP+, which are involved in a variety of oxidation reduction reactions. They accept hydrogen atom and one electron undergo reduction in the pyridine ring. This reaction is reversed when NADH is oxidized. NADP also functions like NAD+ in the oxidation reduction reactions. A large number of enzymes belonging to the class of oxidoreductases are dependent on NAD+ or NADP+. Some enzymes are exclusively dependent on NAD+, whereas some require only NADP+. Some examples of enzymes are glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, alcohol dehydrogenase, branched chain alpha keto acid dehydrogenase complex, glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, glutamate dehydrogenase, etc. Deficiency of niacin results in a condition called pellagra. This disease involves skin, gastrointestinal tract and central nervous system. The symptoms of pellagra are usually denoted as 3 Ds. This denotation is on the basis of 3 major symptoms of the disorder named dermatitis, diarrhea and dementia. If not treated, it may rarely lead to death. Dermatitis, that is inflammation of skin, is usually found in the areas of skin which are exposed to sunlight, such as neck, ankle, face, etc. Diarrhea may be in the form of loose stool, often with blood and mucus. Prolonged diarrhea leads to weight loss. Dementia is associated with degeneration of nervous tissue. Other symptoms associated with dementia are anxiety, irritability, poor memory, insomnia, that is sleeplessness, etc. Earlier, before the development of quality protein maize, pellagra was seen in people whose staple diet is maize because maize was deficient in the amino acid tryptophan. Pyridoxine is another B complex vitamin. It is also called as vitamin B6 and it collectively represents 3 compounds: pyridoxine, pyridoxal and pyridoxamine. They are pyridine derivatives. They differ from each other in the functional group attached to the 4th carbon in the pyridine ring. Pyridoxine is a primary alcohol, pyridoxal is an aldehyde form, while pyridoxamine is an amine. They can be interconvertible. The active form of vitamin B6 is the coenzyme pyridoxal phosphate, that is PLP. It can be synthesized from all the 3 compounds. functions of pyridoxine are mediated through pyridoxal phosphate, which is found attached to the epsilon amino group of lysine in the enzyme. PLP is closely associated with the metabolism of amino acids, participates in several reactions like transamination, decarboxylation, deamination, transsulfuration, condensation, etc. Through these reactions, PLP is involved in the synthesis of many biochemically important compounds like serotonin, histamine, etc. Transamination reaction involves a pair of amino acid and a keto acid, where amino acid is converted into new keto acid and keto acid is converted into a new amino acid. PLP participates in the reaction and forms a Schiff's base intermediate. The keto acid formed enters into the TCA cycle, get oxidized and generate energy. Decarboxylation reaction is also associated with PLP. Some of the alpha amino acids undergo decarboxylation to form the respective amines. The reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme decarboxylases, which are dependent on PLP. Many important amines are synthesized by PLP decarboxylation. Some of the examples are serotonin, that is 5-hydroxytryptamine, that is 5-HT, is produced from tryptophan. It is a neurotransmitter also involved in nerve impulse transmission and regulates sleep, blood pressure and mood of the person. Histamine is another amine which is produced from amino acid histidine. It is a vasodilator, lowers blood pressure and stimulates gastric HCl secretion and is involved in inflammation and allergic reactions. Glutamate on decarboxylation produces gamma aminobutyric acid, that is GABA. GABA inhibits the transmission of nerve impulses, hence it is an inhibitory neurotransmitter. The synthesis of catecholamines, that is dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine, are synthesized from tyrosine. Catecholamines are involved in metabolic and nervous regulation. Pyridoxal phosphate is required for the synthesis of delta aminolevulinic acid, which is the precursor for heme synthesis. The synthesis of niacin coenzymes NAD+ and NADP+ from tryptophan requires PLP. PLP plays an important role in transsulfuration reaction, where transfer of sulfur occurs from homocysteine to serine. Deamination of hydroxyl group containing amino acid also requires PLP. Serine is synthesized from amino acid glycine by a PLP dependent hydroxymethyl transferase reaction. The enzyme glycogen phosphorylase that cleaves glycogen to glucose 1-phosphate contains PLP. Pyridoxal phosphate is needed for the absorption of amino acids from the intestine. Pyridoxine deficiency is associated with neurological symptoms such as depression, irritability, nervousness and mental confusion. Convulsions and peripheral neuropathy are observed in severe deficiency. These symptoms are related to the decreased synthesis of biological amines such as serotonin, GABA, epinephrine, etc. In children, B6 deficiency with drastically reduced GABA production results in convulsions, that is epilepsy. Due to reduction in heme synthesis, hypochromic microcytic anemia is seen in B6 deficiency. Further, synthesis of NAD+ and NADP+ from tryptophan is also impaired. Drug-induced B6 deficiency is also found. Isoniazid drug is used in the treatment of tuberculosis and it inhibits PLP dependent GABA formation from glutamate, hence results into convulsions. The drug penicillamine is used in the treatment of patients with rheumatoid arthritis. It reacts with PLP to form inactive thiazolidine derivative. Therefore, administration of these drugs should be accompanied by pyridoxine supplementation to avoid these symptoms. It is suggested that excess use of B6 in the women may be associated with sensory neuropathy. Now, let us see about biotin, which is another member of B complex group. It was earlier known as anti-egg white injury factor or vitamin B7 or vitamin H. It is a sulfur containing vitamin containing imidazole and thiophene rings with a valeric side chain. It is covalently bound to epsilon amino group of lysine to form biocytin. Biocytin is regarded as its coenzyme and it participates in the carboxylation reactions. As far as functions of biotin are concerned, it serves as a carrier of carbon dioxide in carboxylation reactions. Some examples of carboxylation reactions are pyruvate carboxylase enzyme, which catalyzes the conversion of pyruvate into oxaloacetate, conversion of acetyl coenzyme A into malonyl coenzyme A, propionyl coenzyme A carboxylase, etc. Biotin deficiency is uncommon because it is well distributed in foods and also supplied by the intestinal bacteria. Deficiency may, however, be associated when intestinal flora are destructed due to antibiotics or due to high consumption of raw eggs, which contain a glycoprotein avidin, which tightly binds with biotin and blocks its absorption from the intestine. The deficiency symptoms include anemia, loss of appetite, nausea, dermatitis, glossitis, etc. Pantothenic acid is also a B complex vitamin which is widely distributed in nature. It was formerly known as Chick antidermatitis factor or filtrate factor. It consists of two components, pantoic acid and beta alanine, which are held together by a peptide linkage. Its coenzyme form is coenzyme A, which is denoted as CoA or CoA with a sulfhydryl group because it has a terminal thiol or sulfhydryl group. Coenzyme A is involved in all the metabolism of carbohydrate, lipid and protein. Numerous examples of enzymes are known which depend on coenzyme A. For example, coenzyme A serves as a carrier of activated acetyl or acyl groups. Pyruvate dehydrogenase, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex requires coenzyme A. In some metabolic reactions, group transfer is important, which occurs in a coenzyme A bound form. Coenzyme A may be regarded as a coenzyme of metabolic integration since acetyl coenzyme A is a central molecule in many biochemical reactions. Besides the various functions through coenzyme A, pantothenic acid itself is a component of fatty acid synthase complex and is involved in the formation of fatty acids. Deficiency manifestations of pantothenic acid have not been reported in humans. It is due to its widespread distribution. Dr. Gopalan, a world-renowned nutritionist of India, linked the burning feet syndrome, which involves pain and numbness in the toes, sleeplessness, fatigue, etc., with pantothenic acid deficiency. The functions of B complex members of water soluble vitamins are mediated through their coenzymes. These coenzyme forms participate in a variety of biochemical reactions related to either energy generation or hematopoiesis. It may be due to this reason that the deficiency of vitamins results in a number of overlapping symptoms. The common symptoms of deficiency of one or more vitamins involved in energy metabolism include dermatitis, glossitis, that is red and swollen tongue, cheilitis, that is ruptures at the corners of lips, diarrhea, mental confusion, depression, etc. Deficiency of vitamins B1, B6 and B12 is more closely associated with neurological manifestations.